Now at this point, right now, I'm gonna cover it with plastic and tape it up where I don't want it to get painted, like right here and down here. Stretch it down all the way down. And that's it. Bring that back a little. Now, and that's it. This is all I'm gonna paint right here. That's all I'm gonna paint right here and here. I don't need to paint all this back there. I'm gonna tape these areas right here with a slide, with a brake pad slide on. So I'm just gonna cover all that up. That's it. And that's pretty much it right there. I'm just gonna paint right here. That'll look real nice. This is the rear brakes for the Lincoln Town Car, 2008 model. Clean rag, and I'm just gonna let it rub it on. Get rid of all that brake dust. Give it another spray. Now taper up. And that's it. Just push this, I'll bring this little back a little more. And that's it. And that's how it looks once I tape it all up. So this is only gonna get painted and the top. Yep. That's it. We'll see how that looks. And right now, this is how it looks, all covered up. As you can see, I'm just painting that part of it. I'm not painting the whole caliper, which will be, you know, better for me because I don't have to worry about the rubber for the pins, sliding pins and all that. Just that part right there is gonna get painted. That's it. Oh yeah. This one right here, same thing. Just got that part exposed and that part exposed. Because when you're standing up and looking, that's really what you're gonna see. So I'm not crazy about going all up under there or going all the way back here. It's just this part right there. I'm just gonna paint. Here's the passenger side front. And there it is. Same thing. Got all that covered. Alright, this is the paint I'll be using. Right here. Dupli Color engine paint. And it's yellow. And hopefully, yep, this will withstand the heat. Perfect. That's it. Go over here. Bring it back a little more. So I'll get you. There you go. Okay. And keep doing it. Only 15 minutes. And then do another coat, 3-4 coats, and that's how it's going to be done. Alright, we're going to see the after effects. Oh yeah, gotta let that dry. And, there you go. I want to, as you can see, we didn't get all in there. Just focus right at the caliper. And then you see it's looking on the floor. All clean. Right here also. Nice. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. I already took all the plastic off and all the tape off. And this is how it looks. I'm going to show you another way, another version of it with the tire on. But before I do that, let me show you how it looks with the plastic and all that taken off. As you can see, there it is. See? I only painted that part right there. The rest, as you can see, the rubber is not touched. All that down here, and that's how that looks. So it looks nice. And let's go to the rear, driver's side, rear. That's how that looks, as you can see. And that's how it looks from the front. Okay, here we go on the other side. This is the passenger side rear. And that's how that looks. Keep the light out. And there you go. You can see it sticks out more. You can see it more. And then from this angle, there it is. See? Not the whole caliper is painted, just half of it. And this part here, that's the part that's going to be exposed from the rim, as you can see. So when you look at it from here, That's what you're gonna see. Looking real nice. And as we walk over to the passenger side front, there it is. As you can see, same thing. Just half of the caliper I painted. Not even. Just this portion right there. Just here. Because once you put the rim on, you're not gonna really see all that. That's how it looks from the top. Let me take the flashlight out so you get a better view. See? Nice. That's how that looks. Alright, so let me give you one with the rims on. Okay, got all 4 wheels on. And before we go any further, I messed up on one of them when I was putting on the wheel and it touched the caliper. And it's right here. Here it is. So what I'm gonna do now? I got a spray can. I didn't use a paintbrush. So this is what I did. Just take a small paintbrush. This is a paper towel. Fold it in half. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spray paint on it. Take the brush, dab it. There you go. And then dab it. Come up here, put it on. Done. All right, done. Now this is how it looks once the tire is on. There you go. And when I'm driving, there you go, I'm spinning the tire. That's how it looks. And you're looking at it from up here. Nice. See? That's all you see. You don't see the whole caliper, you see part of it. And that's the part that I painted, and that's the part you see. Let me go to the back. See how this looks. As you can see, there you go. That's the part you see. So you only see that front part of it. The rest wasn't necessary to paint it. Let me get that. See, right there. That's how that looks. Same on the other side. See? You still see the paint on it. Oh yeah, nice. See? So from this angle, you see that part. All that. So that's what you see when I'm rolling. Go this way better. Yeah. That's how it looks. That's how I paint my calipers. I've done it before, but I never recorded it. So that's how come I know how to do it this way. So that's it. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.